Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, be sure to hit the button below and the bell, and we'll get straight into the video. So today's video is going to be a little bit of an experiment. I am going to be using steam to do my wash and go. I washed my hair 2 days ago and my hair is completely dry. So I want to add a bit more moisture into my hair before I do a wash and go, but I don't want to use water because my hair takes a long time to dry. So I want to try and do it with steam just to get my hair moisturized and see how we go. So I'm going to be using this product. I've never tried it before. It is a cream gel, so we'll see how it goes. If not, I'm going to be adding some Eco Styler gel on top if it doesn't get my curls to do what I want it to do. So I'm going to start at the back. As I said, my hair is completely dry. This is what it looks like. I'm just going to wait for the steamer to steam up and then we'll continue. So this is the steamer that I'll be using. As you can see, the water is just steaming up here and then it will come out at the nozzle. So now the steamer is ready, and if you can see the steam coming out from here. I'm just going to put it on my hair. So the steam adds moisture back into your hair without wetting your hair. So you're able to add moisture because the heat will open up the cuticles and allow it to absorb the moisture really quickly. I'm also going to just finger detangle lightly. Now my hair is a bit moisturized. I'm going to go ahead and add the product while still using the steam. I'm just going to work on a smaller section. So this is what the product looks like. It's a cream gel. So this product on its own isn't really doing much for my hair, so I'm going to go ahead and add some gel on top. This is what it's looking like. My curls are still a little bit frizzy, but that's okay. We'll just keep going. So as you can see, the moisture has definitely gotten into my hair and shrunken it up. Okay, so I just wanted to give you some information about the product that I'm using. So it's a Cantu flaxseed with aloe, honey, shea butter and vitamin E, a soothing cream gel. So it's supposed to define and softens with a flexible hold, and it's free from paraffins, alcohol, parabens, phthalates, and mineral oil. And it says that it moisturizes, defines, and adds flexible hold to hair, revealing soft, shiny strand. And it's made with pure shea butter, aloe extract, castor oil, honey, vitamin E, and flaxseed oil to smooth strands and help promote hair growth. So because I'm using heat, these are some very good ingredients, and I just wanted to use this product with it so that my hair can absorb all of that goodness. This video is not sponsored, by the way, but I just wanted to let you know all of the good ingredients in the product. So this is the quarter of my hair done. By the way that my hair is shrunken, you can tell that it is definitely full of moisture. And it is not too wet, which means that it will dry a lot faster as well. And I love the fullness of it. For the style that I'm going for, I do want it full. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the other side, and then I'll come back and show you guys the back section once I'm done. Okay, so I am done with the back of my hair. Look at these curls coming through. My hair is drying really quickly. So we're just going to move on with the front. I am going to put it up. I'm going to add some steam to my hair before I put it up, just to make sure that it's nice and moisturized. My hair is nice and moisturized. I'm going to go ahead and put it up. So this is what my hair turned out like. It's still kind of damp at the moment, so I will come back and show you what it looks like once it's dry. But just on a quick note, as you can see, my face is still wet. I've also got steam on my face, which is really good to help your face absorb some nutrients as the same way as your hair does. So yeah, so this is my hair. So I'll come back and show you what it looks like once my hair is dry. Okay guys, these are my finished results. I did put it in a top bun, and you can see my curls are popping. I didn't stretch my hair out because I do like it short, but maybe as the days go on it will I will stretch it out a little bit more. But for now, my hair is mostly dry. It's been about an hour, and this is what my hair looks like. Nice and moisturized, and my curls are definitely there. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.